guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I wanted to show you how I put together the centerpiece that goes on my coffee table. Now when I think about doing this, I try not to make it too over the top, that way it doesn't compete with all the other decorations. What I thought I would do is use the deer table runner that I used last year. I have this gold branch that I bought last year, and what I've done this year is I added some flock pieces to it, and then I also added this, it's kind of like an icy twig. So I did this while it was off of the table runner because I didn't want all of the flocking to get all over it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a blue bow to go probably about right here. Now what I'm gonna do is fish this wire through here. I'm gonna attach it to one of the gold branches. Now we can take this bow and adjust it how we would like to. Now for these tails, I'm just gonna take them and curl them. All right, I like that. I like to put candles on a centerpiece, so I have a couple of these Wolford candle holders, which again, I used here. So I thought that I would just take them and stagger them. And then I gotta show you something that I saw that was really, really cool. I found this at like a junk store. There was a lot of junk in there, and it was 12 cents. So it's the perfect diameter for this candle. So I think what I'm gonna do is just sit it on top of there. That way it adds just a little bit more blue to this. So I just think it's kind of simple. I really love how this turned out. I love the blue and the gold, and then adding these natural twigs and the flock piece, it ties it together with all the other decor that I have. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below. If you try something similar to this, hashtag me on Instagram, Jay's Holiday Wonderland. I'd love to see what you do. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas!